This week the media outlet RT published a new Kaiser report from the Freedom Fest 2017 conference in Las Vegas with host Max Kaiser. During the report, Kaiser talks with the economist and longtime gold bug Peter Schiff about the decentralized currency Bitcoin. Schiff says he understands that people want an alternative to the current monetary system but believes an alternative to fiat will not be cryptocurrency or what he calls digital fiat. Also read Brett Warley's Bitcoin Cash tool arrives next week. Full client coming soon. Bitcoin is just a form of digital fiat based on faith. Peter Schiff. Peter Schiff is a well-known economist, precious metals proponent, and a person who doesn't like cryptocurrencies at all. Max Kaiser discussed the global economy, Trump, and the Federal Reserve with Schiff at the Freedom Fest event held in Las Vegas last month. Then the two further delve into a conversation about the rise of Bitcoin, and Schiff gives great detail into why he doesn't favor this technology. Schiff believes Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are merely representations of digital fiat. Our monetary system is based on faith because there's nothing real behind dollars or euros, and it's just based on the fact that you believe people are going to want it, explains Schiff. Other than that, the other thing currencies have is that governments accept it or require it for payment of taxes. So if you live in America, the IRS wants your taxes, and you better send them dollars. That's what they accept there, and there is a natural demand for dollars to stay out of jail. Bitcoin is the same concept. It's being created, but there is no real value in Bitcoin. It's all based on faith. If somebody doesn't want your Bitcoin, there's nothing you can do with it, right? People hold Bitcoin as a speculative asset. Max Kaiser. Of course, Max Kaiser, a long-time cryptocurrency advocate, disagrees with Schiff and says that a lot of millennials believe Bitcoin is a form of digital gold. Kaiser tells Schiff as a business person he should be on board with this trend or otherwise he's ignoring an entire market. They are wrong, Schiff tells Kaiser. The people that are using it, Bitcoin, are using it as a speculative asset. I talked to a guy today who showed me his cryptocurrency portfolio, and he had like $50,000. I asked him, have you ever spent any? He said no, and he's never used it in commerce. He's speculating on it, and he owns it as an asset. Kaiser counters Schiff's argument with the fact that gold bugs don't spend the precious metals either, and they hold it as a speculative asset. Further, Kaiser says a lot of these gold bugs pay storage fees just to store gold in a secure location. Look, Bitcoin is never going to be used as money, Schiff tells Kaiser. People can buy it, and the price can go up until the price collapses, and people don't want it anymore. People who are buying it think that one day Bitcoin is going to be a currency that everyone uses. It's going to be worth $1 million a Bitcoin. It's impossible. First of all, there's already 1,000 other cryptocurrencies, and how many more can there be? Merchants don't accept it. They get paid in dollars. No merchants are pricing products in Bitcoin. Market signals are wrong. Schiff doesn't believe in the market signals Kaiser describes. The economist explains that the market was giving signals during the dot-com bubble and other types of stocks. However, Kaiser says that even though the dot-com bubble burst, Google and Amazon still rule the world. Amazon is one, there are hundreds that went to zero, says Schiff. So how do you know? What if somebody comes up with a digital currency a year or two from now that is so much better than Bitcoin? It's everything Bitcoin does better, faster, and cheaper. Everyone then wants that new one, and nobody wants Bitcoin. It's worthless. Nobody wants it anymore because somebody came up with a better mousetrap. Of course, I don't think that's going to happen, because I don't think any of them will work. If we are ever going to have digital currency, they will have to be backed by gold. They're not going to be backed by nothing. Kaiser believes Bitcoin has a lot of similarities with the very precious metals that Schiff advocates for on his show and at conferences. Still, Schiff to this day will not accept Bitcoin as a form of money and thinks it will never be widely adopted. Sure, there is digital scarcity. There is 21 million Bitcoins, but if nobody wants them, they are worthless, Schiff adds. What do you think about Peter Schiff's opinion regarding Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies? Do you agree with Schiff or do you agree with Kaiser? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Images via Pixabay, RT, and Twitter. At news.bitcoin.com. All comments containing links are automatically held up for moderation in the discuss system. That means an editor has to take a look at the comment to approve it. This is due to the many repetitive spam and scam links people post under our articles. We do not censor any comment content based on politics or personal opinions, so please be patient. Your comment will be published.